Hey guys, Keith here. After my little note in the group, I've had a few people like sort of messages about Google Cloud and setting it up and what have you. And Mike asked us to do like a quick video. Um, I was going to do it later on in the week, but I thought I'll get it out of the way now. So I haven't planned anything. So if it all goes pear-shaped, you know why. The only thing I have planned is I've actually found one of my Google accounts which hasn't got Google Cloud Platform attached to it. So this is basically how you can set it up. Obviously, if you want to be on Google Cloud, you need a Gmail account. Once you've got a Gmail account, you can just type in the search box Google Cloud, and obviously it popped up. But what you'll then go into is console.cloud.google.com. Okay. Now, when you come in and it's your first time, you're going to get met by this, which is because like you're new to this. So basically, you've got to go through the hoops and accept everything. So it's like, yeah, I accept the Google Platform Terms of Service. Yeah, I'm in the United Kingdom. Obviously, if you're not, stick where you are. It'll probably populate it. Would you like to continually get bombarded by Gmails? No. If you want to, you obviously can tick it and then just agree and continue. Okay, so it takes you into there, and before you can do anything really, what we want you to do is to create a project. You can call it whatever you want, but it's got to be a project that's unique. Yeah, if I click on this, which is what we're after, the cloud storage, it's going to go in and it's going to say select the project. To view the page, select the project. And it's like, well, I ain't got any, so I'm going to have to create a project. Okay, so create a new project. So basically, like I say, you can call it what you want, but it must be like sort of unique across the whole of the Google platform. So if you try to call it like sort of, your project is Locksmith Manhattan, it'd probably be taken. I don't know, just call it, I can't remember what this one is. Because I normally name the project after me name, but I'll just do it test storage. Okay, so just call it test storage for now. That's my project. Don't want to attach to an organization. Yeah, if you connect it to if you've got a G Suite, obviously you can connect it to your organization, but I haven't connected to G Suite in this one, so. And then you just do create. So just remember test storage. That's now going away, and that's creating this project for me. You can create projects for all sorts. This is how you would go in and create things for like the API keys for your YouTube and all that sort of thing. You have to create a project and then you fit them underneath. So I could fit like other things underneath this as well. Unlike Amazon AWS, Google in its buckets aren't exactly the easier things to navigate around. No, I don't want to do them, so get rid of them. I don't want to do a quick start. Right, before you do anything, you've got to sign up. You've got to give me your credit card. There. So basically, it's free for 12 months. And then after that, you get charged, just like Amazon AWS charges you. You get charged like sort of, something. Basically, it's something and nothing. I mean, I've been doing this now for a good while, chucking stuff up on the cloud, and there's a lot of stuff on the cloud, and I think the last thing comes about 3 pence. So or 3 cents it would be in America. It's next to now, so you can, because what we're throwing up is like just HTML files that don't take up much storage. If you're going to start throwing videos up, which are huge, then yeah, you're going to get bigger things. But just for like HTML files, it ain't going to cost you a lot. So sign up for your free trial. Like it says, you get $300 credit. I've never used all my credit. So you've got to jump through the hoops again. Yes, you've read the accept agreement. So like it says, you get $300 credit for free over the next 12 months. I think my one which is coming, my one which is coming up for, I think it's 3 months left. I've still got somewhere in the region of like sort of $297 left. So you're not going to be like sort of, it's not going to break your bank having all these. So agree and continue. Right. I always put this down as account type as individual. Yeah. Put your address down. While I fill all this in, because I have to put my credit card details and stuff in, I am going to pause the screen. Yeah. And I'll come back on when I've completed all this. I don't want you to find all my credit card details out. Okay, so I put all my details in, put my credit card in, and says thanks for signing for the 12 months free trial. You've now got £300 in credit. Great stuff. And it says don't worry if you run out of credit, they'll email you. But like I say, I've been on now and putting quite a bit of stuff up, and I've never yet brought the $300 in the 12-month period. So I just click got it. Okay, create a bucket. Now, when you create your bucket, you want to create it with the keyword in this, so that you've got like sort of keyword in the URL, because this will become part of the URL. Okay, so create your bucket. Let's just keep with the theme of MPP. Let's have it locksmith. As it says, public names. As you can see, locksmith is already in use, so I can't use that. So I'll have to like sort of locksmith. I'll just use Yorkshire. Yeah, that works. Okay, so locksmith Yorkshire, no problem. I just tend to leave it multi-regional, so it'll go anywhere. Because I'm in Europe, I tend to pick Europe. Yeah. As it says, storage cost is like sort of 0.1026 cents per gigabyte per month. So basically, you're not going to get charged a lot. Okay. I always set it onto that one. So it sets permissions uniformly at bucket level. So basically, it filters that. If you set the bucket to be like sort of public, then everything filters down. And then do create. And then it creates it. Now then, this is a bit what they don't tell you. That set up with permissions. So go into permissions. And just enable that. Enable that. Right. What I do is I do add members, go into new members, just type in all users, select a role, scroll down to storage. Yeah, you've got storage. And basically, storage object viewer, it gives everybody access to view. You see, you get a little warning comes up. This bucket is public, which is what you want. Okay. So we've now got Locksmith Yorkshire. When we go there, we've got no objects in. 2 ticks while I find out if I've got one still. I'm just looking to see if I can find one of the other sites what I was playing with. What was that one? Okay, so I think I've got this one. Yeah, so this is one of the first, what I'm going to upload here is one of the first things I did when I was playing around with the output from the backlinks. I've got it a lot better now. I might sort of put that up in a minute, but basically it's just the same as anything. Upload files. If you're doing a full website where you want the folders, you have to upload the folders separate on this one. Whereas on Amazon, you can just bang the whole lot up together. This one, you've got to upload folders individually and then files individually. So I'm going to upload files. I thought it would have come up with a thing. Never mind. I forget where it was. There. Which one was it? That one, I think. I'll just move one of these. So, no, I need to move it. Right, if I just move this one up. Okay, so that's uploaded that one. Now this one might not look so good because I haven't uploaded it. No, I'll upload the full as well. It'll work. Otherwise, I'll just look now. Just click on upload folder. Might as well upload the whole lot. Okay, so I've uploaded them then. Now, this is where you get the public, your actual URL. Okay, so I'll just open a new tab. I'll just copy that and paste it into there. So all of the URLs will start with that bit. Then you have your bucket name, and then you actually have the site. Until it doesn't come out that well. That was probably one of the test forms which didn't work quite so well. I'll do another one another day, which I'll show you like sort of what it looks like with the new layout I've got if anybody wants that. Basically, that's it. You can, like I say, from then you could upload the whole lot. So if I do like upload files, if I go to here and just that's why I actually update the styles. That's because I've already got one uploaded, so it's going to just override. So these are all what's come out of MPP, the HTML things. Like I say, I've played with the CSS a bit more and got it a lot nicer. The CSS code should be with that video where I put up the other day. So that's all them uploaded. It just comes out a bit better. Now I've actually got the CSS file uploaded. There we go. That looks a little bit better with the CSS file up, but like I say, I've got a much better layout now, which I might put one up in, on another thing. But that's it. That's how you do it. And like I say, when I did my test, I did Google Cloud, Azure, which I'll do a video for Azure another night, and Amazon. And basically, you know, it's only 50 here, but there was 111, 100 and something like that on them. And basically, you know, a couple of the Google Cloud ones didn't get indexed. A few more of the Azure ones didn't get indexed, but the actual Amazon S3 didn't get indexed at all. Now I've sent some links to them to see what's going to happen. And a few other people's put in like sort of different things what I'm going to try. Because, you know, I like putting stuff up and letting Google find it. I'm not one of these who like sort of, you know, put stuff up and then send billions or sticks them through like an index or things like that. You know, but obviously I do like to try and help them along slightly. And I think like sort of, you know, Adrian mentioned about like sort of using YouTube to do it. And it's like, right, I can quite easily do that. Put the link from them in YouTube, and there we go. Because Mike said on his webinar when he showed this as well, you know, about getting all of the URLs. You know all the URLs because you can get these. Yeah, you get these out of like sorry MPP, and obviously, well, that bit's always the same, and that bit's the same. So all I've got is a you know Google sheet. I'm basically a bit of a formula in. I stick up, you know, on one cell, which is the name of me bucket, and then I just have a big row of all of these, cite all of the pages what I've kicked out, and then you know just add this to this, boom, done. You know, piece of cake. Okay. Any questions on it? Just drop it in the link when I put this up, and I'll answer them. And like I say, I'll try and do the Azure one like another night. I just thought I'd get this one out because there are a few people who were like sort of on about it. Okay, catch you later. Bye.